Hi, Mesty.
And I'm Melina, and today we're going to be trying some yummy Japanese treats. But we don't know if it's yummy, but we'll hope so. So we got this at our local Japanese market, and it's called G-Mart. So let's just get right into the video. So the first one is called Hello Panda. It's let me see what it's called. It's cookies with filled chocolate. So open up.
Here it is. It doesn't really show.
It just doesn't really look how it's supposed to. That's okay. 1, 2, 3.
It's good. It tastes like this graham cracker, and there's chocolate inside. It's kind of like s'mores.
Yeah,
But
s'mores without the marshmallow.
And it has this little chocolate.
I love the chocolate. The chocolate inside kind of reminds me of sort of like melted Hershey's in it.
Yeah.
So let's go on with the next one.
What is this thing now?
Yan Yan.
Yan Yan.
Yeah,
And it has strawberries inside it and
strawberry cream.
strawberry cream.
And and the brand is called Mehi, the same one as the last one. So open it. Sounds good. Kind of sounds like Nutella, but with strawberry cream. Need help? Wow. There's a warrior right here. A warrior! If you remember where that's from, you should. So let me just dip it in. Oops.
I'm so scared.
1, 2, 3.
It's good.
Oh, mine says duck. This is duck.
And I like it because it has this like skinny like little whatever it's called. And it's really yummy, and if you mix it in here, it's good.
I don't like it. I'm sorry. It's not my favorite. Like, it's okay, but I like the other one better. So let's go on with the next one.
You guys like this?
It's fine. We'll just set it off to the side. So, this is what it looks like. Okay, next one is Pocky Cookies and Cream. It's cookies and cream Pocky. So it's basically cookies and cream covered in like a little stick. I've tried regular Pocky, but never this. So let me get that in here. Oh, I'll take this one. Thank you. This is how it looks.
Cheers.
1. Now, put it in the box. It's fine. I just set it off to the side. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I'm sorry, guys. I don't like it because it tastes like kind of like a little bit of fire, and it's burned.
How can it taste like fire though? It's
like burning fire.
It's like has that burnt taste.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has that burned aftertaste. I don't really like it that much.
Yeah, it's good.
So this is how it looks like. On the back of it, share some happiness.
Yeah.
That is, it's called Koala March, and the brand is Loti? However you pronounce it. Sorry for saying it wrong.
So let's get open.
So far, I've only liked one. Let's hope this is good. Cute little container. So this container looks like. Well, 2 fell out. Ooh, it's so cute. That.
Mine.
Oh, show them yours. I have so many ones. So mine is singing.
Let me
and-
see.
Sing,
Oh.
what's yours?
As the
sorry.
movie Sing.
Okay.
1, 2.
2. This is what the insert looks like.
It's good. Because it has this like nice chocolate And I like how it's like crunchy and stuff, so I like it.
It's good. But the chocolate, I like the outside part better than the chocolate and the inside. Like, I like it, but I don't love it. And the last thing are some 2 drinks. So, they're called Poru, or yeah, I'm pretty sure it's called. So I'll try one first, and then you'll try the one next.
I need your help.
Oh, this is tricky, but doable. Oh, I didn't say. Mega's tropical fruits, and hers is green apple, green grapefruit. That's really good. Tastes
So
like
good.
a piña colada popsicle. I've tried. So, there you go. Okay, we're gonna switch now. See what yours tastes like. That's good. That's really good.
Yeah,
I like
I
it.
tried the whatever Mel said. I it's good.
AKA Melina. I'm like a little baby.
I can't almost drink. I can't almost stop drinking it.
Okay, which one's better? What do you think?
This one. Oh, you got the one.
Oh, sorry.
I like this one.
This one. So we each have different favorites, but I think they're both good. So yeah, I'm pretty sure the brand is Paldo, Fun and Yum. So that is the end for our trying different types of treats and stuff. Put it in the links down below. What other different types of what different types of food treats we should try, like from Mexico or like something like that, you know. And so we liked I liked 3 out of 5 of them. She liked 4 out of 5 of them. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget to click down below.
Bye.